Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best meat grinders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're grinding meat for burgers, sausages, or kubbe, these machines make the process easy and efficient. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the budget-friendly LOSFOR WA 3200 watt max electric meat grinder and sausage stuffer. With a price tag of just $45.99, this is the most affordable option on our list, yet it packs a surprising punch for its cost. This grinder comes equipped with all the essentials, including 2 blades, 3 grinding plates, 3 sausage stuffer tubes, and a kubbe kit, making it a versatile 3-in-1 kitchen assistant. From homemade hamburgers to pet food preparation, this grinder has you covered. In terms of design, the LOSFOR WA grinder is lightweight at just 5.92 pounds and compact, with dimensions of 4.9 by 14.5 by 9.8 inches. It's made from stainless steel, ensuring durability and food-grade safety. The machine also features a one-switch on-off button and a reverse function for unclogging jams, making it user-friendly. However, the build quality isn't as robust as some of the higher-end models, which is expected at this price point. Performance-wise, the 3200 watt motor handles basic grinding tasks well, although it's not ideal for heavy-duty or frequent use. It's safe thanks to its locking knob, overload protection, and thermostat system, which prevent overheating. Cleaning is straightforward, but keep in mind that parts need to be hand-washed to avoid oxidation. Overall, this is a great entry-level grinder for occasional use, but it might not be the best choice for users who need high-speed, heavy-duty grinding. Pros include affordability, versatility, and ease of use, while cons are its limited durability and lower efficiency compared to premium models. At number 4, we have the iHeal electric meat grinder, priced at $56.69. This mid-range grinder offers excellent functionality at a reasonable price. With a 3200 watt max motor, it's capable of grinding meat efficiently, making it perfect for beef, chicken, pork, venison, and even fish. Its versatile 3-in-1 design lets you grind meat, prepare sausages, and make kubbe, all with ease. The iHeal grinder is made from food-grade stainless steel materials, ensuring safety and durability. Its compact design, weighing 7.34 pounds and measuring 11.4 by 5.7 by 12.2 inches, makes it easy to store and ideal for home use. The locking knob and overload protection mechanisms provide added safety, while the reverse button helps unclog the unit quickly. Although cleaning is straightforward, parts are not dishwasher safe and require hand washing. Performance-wise, the iHeal grinder processes up to 44 pounds of meat per hour, which is decent for its price range. However, it's not as powerful as some of the premium options on this list. It's an excellent choice for occasional home use and small batches, but may struggle with larger quantities or tougher meats. Pros include its affordability, versatility, and user-friendly design, while cons are its slightly lower grinding capacity and non-dishwasher safe parts. Coming in at number 3 is the Chefino meat grinder, priced at $79.99. This grinder strikes a great balance between affordability and premium features, earning it a spot in the middle of our countdown. With a powerful 2600W max motor, this machine can grind up to 180 pounds of meat per hour, making it a fantastic option for users who need efficiency without breaking the bank. The Chefino grinder boasts an ETL-approved design with food-grade stainless steel components, ensuring safety and hygiene. It's slightly heavier at 8.62 pounds, but its compact dimensions, 13.2 by 6.5 by 11.2 inches, make it easy to store. The updated 3-layer auger system minimizes heat generation during grinding, preserving the meat's texture and nutrition. However, the parts are not dishwasher safe, which could be a downside for some users. In terms of performance, this grinder is well suited for home kitchens and small-scale commercial use. It's versatile, with attachments for sausage stuffing and kubbe making. The rev button unclogs the unit effortlessly, and cleaning is straightforward, though time-consuming due to hand-washing requirements. Pros include powerful performance, ETL certification, and versatile functionality, while cons are its lack of dishwasher-safe parts and slightly higher price point compared to entry-level models. At number 2 is the RVGMBO 5.0 Upgrade Electric Meat Grinder, priced at $89.99. With a cutting-edge 3,500-watt German motor, this grinder is a powerhouse in the meat grinding industry. It boasts an impressive grinding speed of just 3 seconds per batch, making it ideal for users who prioritize efficiency and speed. The machine's aerospace-grade materials and SGS-certified SUS 304 blades ensure durability and high-quality performance. Design-wise, the RVGMBO grinder is compact and stylish, with stainless steel construction that's both durable and rust-resistant. Weighing 6.87 pounds, it's easy to handle and store, and its 5-in-1 functionality supports grinding, sausage stuffing, and vegetable cutting. Cleaning is hassle-free, with dishwasher-safe blades and plates included. However, other parts require hand-washing to prevent oxidation. This grinder excels in performance, making it perfect for home use or parties where large quantities of meat need to be processed quickly. It also comes with a 5-year warranty and one-on-one customer service, ensuring peace of mind. Pros include ultra-fast grinding, durable materials, and excellent warranty coverage, while cons are its slightly higher price and the need for hand-washing non-stainless parts. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Mincer Electric Meat Grinder, priced at $109.99. This premium grinder offers the best combination of power, durability, and versatility on our list. With a 3,000 watts max motor, it can grind up to 2 pounds of meat per minute, making it perfect for heavy-duty home or commercial use. The built-in metal gears add extra durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. The Mincer grinder features stainless steel housing and food-grade components, making it safe and sturdy. At 8.71 pounds, it's slightly heavier, but this adds to its robust feel. It includes multiple accessories, such as grinding plates, sausage stuffer tubes, and a kubbe kit. The single-button control system, along with the reverse function, makes operating this grinder hassle-free. Cleaning is straightforward, with dishwasher-safe blades and plates. Although other parts require hand-washing, performance-wise, this grinder is unrivaled in efficiency and quality. It's ideal for users who need a reliable and powerful machine for regular use. With thermal protection, a circuit breaker, and a 24/7 customer support system, it's clear that Mincer prioritizes user safety and satisfaction. Pros include high power, durability, and multifunctionality, while cons are its higher price and heavier weight. If you're looking for the best meat grinder on the market, the Mincer is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.